In this lecture, we have introduced ternary operator with generic types. In this lecture, I would like to show you another example. Okay, first thing, let's remove almost everything. Let's remove all these types. We don't need them for this example, and let's remove the entire play body. Now I will write here a new type. I will call it single type. Okay, first let me write it, and then I will ask you a question. Okay, so let's define here type single type. This will be generic, so let's write here T equal if the T extends any array, question mark, then get me my single type as a T square brackets number, otherwise get me just T. And I will write here my custom type, so let's write here type 1 equals single type of let's write string array. I will write here, I will copy it and paste it over. I will write here type 2, type 3. This will be number array. And for this example, I will also define here interface person. Let's say it will have just a name of the string, and I will write here, this will be person. So now when I will hover over the type, you can guess what I will get here. In the case of a type 1, I will get here a single string. So type 1 is a string, type 2 is a number, and type 3 is a person. All right, so that's how it works. Okay, and so now let's break it down. If I am passing here a string array, the type T is replaced with a string array. So I'm asking question string array extend any array, and of course because any is covering every type, so string array definitely extending any array. This means to my type single type T will be assigned this. Okay, so that the type T is replaced basically with a string array, the number. When you're accessing this indexed property of the number on the arrays, this will get you type representation of the single element in the array, in this case string. Okay, the same here with the numbers. I'm asking the same question. The type T is replaced with a number array extending any array, for sure. This case, get me here number array of a number, and this number representing single element in the array of the type of this element, which is a number. Okay, so this will get me number. Okay, last example, the person. I will get here person, so type T is replaced by person. Person extends any array? No, definitely not, because yeah, it's not the array. If I would have here a person array, that would extend, but in the case of a single person, doesn't extend, so we are going with the expression here. So I'm just simply returning the single person. Okay, if I would say, I would write here not T, but let's say something else. Let's say unknown. All right, in this case, step 3 would be unknown. You can see it's unknown. Okay, so that's a special syntax when you're accessing the square brackets and the numbers when you are providing it on the specifically on the arrays. So when I will write here again, I will show you more examples. I will write here type 4, and I will access here a string array, index type number. Okay, that will access me. That will access me type of the single element in the string array of this type. Okay, this doesn't say that I want to have here a type of a number. That means that I would like to get here type of the element in the array. Okay, basically that's what it says here. With a string array, I would like to extract from here this single type. All right, so that's the ternary operator, and of course when I'm providing here single types, for example person, that's not a person array. Here I can provide only arrays. Okay, if I not provide an array, this will be executed as this will be resulted as the false expression, which will go with the second case here, unknown. In this case, and type 3 will be unknown. Okay, so that's just the other example how you can use ternary operators. Any questions? Ask them, and let's see you in the next one. Cheers.